That's the end of the first qualified in Australia, Benin City. Bendel Insurance Football Club of Benin City lead here by Liverpool. Sporting jersey number 27. Another way to take on the United. And Plateau United will be home to Heartland FC of Owerri. And on Wednesday next week, Plateau United will be here to play against Bendel Insurance match 3 of the Nigeria Premier Football League. And it's all over here in Benin City. Bendel Insurance FC of Benin 2, Shooting Stars of Ibadan. Over 3 years of Ibadan, no goal. Match 2 of the Nigeria Premier Football League. And the Benin Arsenal will be here Wednesday next week.
You see, one thing that baffles me in Nigerian league, especially about the journalists, is that when you watch game, you are supposed to be independent. And I expect that we should have independent reports as regards officiating. You can't be asking me. And that was why you were here to watch. And in terms of the game has been played, won and lost. We take the positive from it and the better in the other game. We played well all through the game, and you see, sometimes there are things that can be irritating. You see, the players are equally human beings. They saw it and they knew it was going to be difficult. And but as far as I'm concerned, All I want to say is we'll take the positive from the game. We have lost the game and we have lost. There's nothing anybody can do. Even in England, when the referee apologized to Liverpool, they can't reverse the game. You see, but I think the game must grow. The game must develop. And that is the essence of state government spending so much in the game. I think we deserve good games. No, not really. But in the first one, I think we all saw how it came. So I'm not to blame my players. I don't talk about my players on the print. When we get home, we make some amends where necessary. All we just need is a vocal support. And if there was a vocal support, maybe the mistake wouldn't have come. But be it as it may, something must happen that will lead to a goal. You understand? Nobody is complaining about that. We have ourselves to blame for.
We had a good game, but for me, I think for us to grow more, we need to think about what the referees are doing. And we're here to represent ourselves very well. I think the whole Ibadan was with us. The coaches, everything we've done, perfect, but what we saw here is not encouraging at all. As a player, I want to show. We all want to show. But when the referee are bringing us back, the league is not going. We really want a league that is going to be free, fair, officiating, and everything we're going to do. But the team, I commend the team, they tried. We did our best, but we think better luck next time. We need the 50-50 officiating. To be honest, it's not fair. I'm not a player. If he's going wrong, let's say it out. If he's going on well, we say it out. But the officiating, I can't support. Being out of the league before, coming back again, still meeting the same thing. He's not growing. He's still on the same page.
Well, I'm not excited. I'm not. I've always emphasized on what participation and preparation is all about for those who still care to listen. The league has just kicked off. Result is very important, but not as important as performance. When performance is consistent, there's a gradual improvement of the game, then you can start to see attacking prowess. I want to see Nigerian football viable with what we have in the league. The league just started. It was a tough game for Bendel Insurance because key players have left. I don't want to go all that, but like you said, I'm not excited. I want to take the positives from this game and go and work on the lapses we had, and then try to see what we can do before the next game. Well, you just said it. 3SC is a formidable team in Nigeria. They are being coached by a veteran coach as well. So if you're playing against a team like that, you have to be very, very cautious. You have to wait and take your chances. I have to talk about tactical discipline. You don't go into the field feeling excited. You just have to remain disciplined, and like the way the game went, it was difficult for us until the second game. The first goal was an own goal, so it could have happened to anybody. So that was not enough for Bendel Insurance to feeling like we were on top. We were looking for the goal. Yes, thank God we got it, but not to take anything away from the game. It was a very keenly contested game, and just the team that took their chances won the game. That's it.
Yeah, we are very happy to win the first game because our plan worked out for us, and it was a good game for us, and we knew we were going to win. And I believe this season will be better than last season. That's the plan. That's the plan of our coach. We were just watching them to size them, and at the end it worked out for us. Our next game is home. Plateau, yes, it's home game, and we are winning. Fully confident because we believe in ourselves and our tactical behavior.
I'm so happy. You can see this is my first game at home for my new team. I just signed here from Akwa United. I'm so excited scoring this kind of goal. Yeah. So I want to keep it up again to make the fans to feel relaxed. So that's just it. When I was holding the ball, my mind was telling me shoot, don't pass. So I just took that second choice. So I just hit the ball. So definitely the thing got inside the post. I was so excited.